Make your first aid and CPR training courses more convenient and hygienic with WNL's First Aid and CPR Student Training Kit. With this all-in-one kit, your students can safely practice basic first aid and CPR. Each kit contains latex-free gloves, non-sterile gauze pads, a roller bandage, and a CPR face shield. All items are packaged in a compact and easy-to-carry resealable bag. And with one kit per student, it's easy to distribute supplies and ensure that everyone has the supplies needed for class. Notably, the barrier device features a one-way valve that prevents mouth-to-mouth contact and cross-contamination between students sharing a mannequin. This kit is a great solution for busy instructors who need to carry supplies from class to class. Its small size takes up minimal space, making it easy to store and transport. Now, with WNL's First Aid and CPR Student Training Kit, you can simplify your training process and provide your students with a hygienic, hassle-free experience. Why not try it today and see the difference for yourself?